Hi guys! Hi, I'm Job. So today I actually wanted to share a very special item from a very favorite makeup artist, Eldridge. So it just came in the mail. I ordered this through her website and then have it delivered by shipping cart. So I'm actually not sponsored, but I use shipping cart all the time if I have products that I would like to send from the US or UK because it ships right to your door, so it doesn't go through customs. And working with customs would be hassle. So today I actually wanted to share this lipstick because as an avid lipstick collector, I really am on the hunt for looking at new formulas and new technology when it comes to creating lipsticks. And Eldridge, as one of the very famous makeup artists, really is a perfectionist. So you can see later, well, as of the other reviews, that this lipstick is very different from other lipsticks out there. So let's get on with it. All right, so I zoomed you in closer. I hope I don't ruin the box.
I don't need a brag, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. When you see the max, they stack up like my eyes, yeah.
Sabihan mo lang yung kapit mo, wag niya kaming idamay-damay kung ano-anong ginagawa niyang mga istorya para sa aming pamilya dahil hindi kami nakikialam sa buhay ng mag-asawa kahit kapatid ko yung asawa mo, hindi ako kami nakikialam.
Here we go. So excited. Tissue. And here we go. After all of that, we have the two lipsticks. Alright, now that I have it out of the box, these are the two lipsticks that I ordered. So these are the True Velvet lip colors. These are actually restocks of the reds that she came out. She also came out with the pinks collection, but those are sold out as well. I only got two because Velvet Jazz is already out, sold out in a couple of minutes. So I think she's gonna come out again with the collection in October. So I gotta, work that out as well. All right, so let's open the box. So once you're in the box, like a true vintage lipstick. It's gold and it has her monogram on it. Let me just see, focus. The letter L with her lips and her signature mole. And when you open, it's actually magnetic. See? And then you open velvet ribbon. The box also comes with separate box inside, so you know it's really secure in there. Same, gold, and says velvet ribbon. Magnetic. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna compare them both. So, baka sabihin nyo magkakulay lang naman, pero no, it's different. One is more leaning towards blue-red, and the other one is orange-red. You can see. Sobrang nakaka-amaze yung velvet. let's try on the lipsticks. I'm gonna first start with Velvet Morning. This is the more orangey red lipstick. So Lisa Eldridge actually recommended two ways to apply this. First, for more of a subtle, yung pang natural or everyday. And then second one, yung pang bold nighttime looks. Because the formula is super pigmented, as you said. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna swatch Velvet Morning on my hand. See, that's a one swipe pigmentation. So I'm gonna try it on now. You can first dab it for a more natural or everyday look. See, dab lang on the top part, super show off na yung color. Let's try it like intense pigmentation. Yan. Konting disclaimer lang. Since I mentioned earlier, and pinakita natin na velvet yung texture niya on the outer part, when you actually apply it on your lips, it's not gonna turn your lips into velvet. So, still like normal lipstick, pero super creamy ng texture niya sa lips. No tugging, no anything. So, very smooth yung application niya. Okay. And even as I remove it, nag-leave siya ng stain sa lips. So, you know, if you wear it out, kapag sunod mo siya buong gabi, I think it's gonna fade very beautifully. And then now, let's try Velvet Ribbon. Velvet Ribbon. So, let's try to swatch it on the hand now. Para makita niyo din yung difference ng colors. Again, one swipe pigmentation. So sa camera, medyo it comes off as pinkish red. So ayan. Now let's try it on the lips. First, let's try it on dab. Parang yung pinkish a little bit more. Ayan siya. And then let's try it on full swipe. Let me see. So again, isang swipe lang siya sa lips. So you can really see the pigmentation of Lisa's formula. So there you go. Those are the two lipsticks. Quite a long video for just two lipsticks. So if you want them, I think Lisa's gonna come out with Velvet Jazz, the other color, the other red color in October. So better watch out. And then she's also gonna come out with some of her pinks, which is already sold out now. She's gonna bring back 2 more colors from that collection. So you can check out lisaeldridge.com for more info on that. I think you can subscribe to her newsletter so you get more information on when it's coming out. Or, yeah. Okay, that ends it. I'm gonna love these now. Goodbye.